All right, guys, here we go. Real quick video. Going to take a look at the futures. And the first one up is our crude oil. And we've been short here quite a while. Actually, on this gap up was the first short position. Wrote it down. And then when we started pulling back into this high pivot level where the blue dash line is, we covered and then hit it again on the next day. But anyway, we're still holding this. We had a significant price level here at the red dash line. And the reason being we had consolidation and high pivot resistance zones going all the way back to really the end of November of last year. And then if oil, by whatever reason, comes back up and breaks over this zone, well, first of all, we'll be stopped out before that happens. But secondly, more importantly, what I want to explain is that we'll go short around this 200 simple moving average right here, the purple line, probably around $84, that whole round even number. If it gets up that high, they'll probably hit that $84. Then we'll uh, double down pretty hard on the short position. Now let's go to gold. Right now, as you can see, we've been short gold a couple of days now. And this gray dash line here is a calculated measure and move that our Patreon members in the Introduction to Micro Futures course explain. And it has a 90% success rate for resistance. And you go short on it for a pullback, obviously. And then if you're coming down into it, of course, you would hold it kind of like this 200 here held support, and then we are able to bounce off of it. And then what we're looking at right now, we're expecting a move back up higher in gold, but we've a little extended over the 20, so we don't want to go long when we're pretty well above the 20. We just want to scale in when we're in and around the 20 simple moving average here. And what we're looking for here is possibly, this is all basically one big green candle, and we're looking for a shallow pullback here and then go. So it's basically, a one, two, three move, and then we will go long if we can break and at least get a daily close up and over that gray dash line. Okay, so we're not going to, we're not saying we're going to stay short here, forever. It's just really to show how well we know the charts, the skills that we teach, and so on and so forth. Let's take a quick look at silver. Again, short silver, as you can see, we came into that range of, we had several factors here. We had the uh, trend line to the upside, and that was going to be a resistance zone. And nothing is necessarily has to be to the penny. It's just the zone, kind of like the ropes in a boxing ring can give and move. Same can these zones. And then of course you have the infamous gray dash line here as a 90% success rate. And we put that box around there just to kind of highlight it. And again, expecting that two down. You have that green candle, two candles closing down inside of it in the upper range, very shallow, and then a push to the upside. Now, if that happens tomorrow, well, it'll be Monday, but if that happens Monday, that's very strong, very significant for silver. And if we do have like a third or fourth day down, that shows we're probably going to be coming down to this zone, all this high pivot consolidation area here where the blue dash line is. Okay, let's go to natural gas. And yeah, guess what? We're still not long natural gas. Okay, all these big influencers, get in, get in, get in. Let's take a hit here. They don't know the charts as well. Anyway, you need two factors to give the GOAT sign, okay? We don't have two factors. We don't have a close up and over the white trend line to the downside. We just have one close over it. Big deal. We don't have any clearing candle here. We don't have a close over the 8 exponential, the gray line. So yeah, we put our money where our mouth is. We're still short. Came close to it yesterday, but no follow through this morning, okay? This is where we would have gotten out this morning, if we would have cleared uh, the previous candle that did close one, this is UNG, I'm sorry, did close above the down trend line, obviously, and barely above the 8 exponential, but we wanted, follow through. We wanted confirmation of that, and of course, it gapped to the downside. But all right, guys, hang in there. Thank you for watching. Check us out on Twitter. Check out our Patreon, members group where we teach all this, and of course, we have our exclusive 50% off Introduction to Micro Futures tag below. And we'll see you on the charts.